Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I told you guys I'm gonna come with the bangers for the rest of the year, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Today we're gonna do a nice soft glam look, and I'm going to start off with using the Jovias palette, and I'm going to take Kurfuru and Yodit, which is the two browns in the palette. We're gonna keep the eyes nice and simple with this soft glam. I am going to prime my eyes with my concealer. Those of you who are not new to the channel already know how I do my makeup. I always start off with the eyes. Now I am packing on both Kurfuru and Yodit from the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. Now keep in mind, if you do not have a chocolate color eyeshadow palette available, I would just suggest using your powder contour on your eyelids. Now I'm taking my liquid pen liner from Kaja, and I am going to start doing my wing. Now I just want to say, I had this pen for so long, since I was working at Sephora, and that was a long time ago. And this pen is so dry. I don't know what came over me to use this pen, but I just started using it, and I got so mad because I'm like, yo, this pen is so dry, you know what I'm trying to say? So I was a little bit extra tight about that. So I went to my Maybelline liquid pen. This is the go-to right here. She's super affordable and she always get the job done. Now I'm not saying Kaja was a bad eyeliner, but I just feel like you know, I should have known better. And for lashes, I'm using my lashes by Berry Jane Collection in the style Dream. And for primer, I'm using my 3-in-1 primer by Wet n Wild. I don't have regular primer, but this is a primer that I've been using. I just spray my hands and really work it into my face. And I'm also going to apply my Mario Badescu Rose Water the same way. I just use this method to activate the moisturizer that I already have on my face. As for foundation, I am going to be using my Este Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 6N2. And I'm also going to mix in my Nars foundation in the shade New Caledonia. We're going to start blending out with our beauty blender. I would suggest that you spray your setting spray on top of your beauty blender before you start to blend out your foundation. This just helps make sure that all harsh lines are off the face, and also you're taking off excess foundation. As for concealer, I am going to be using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I will have to say this concealer is still the best concealer on the affordable market. I would definitely highly recommend this concealer to anyone that is looking for affordable concealer. If you are next to a beauty supply store, girl, you better go and grab you a few of these because the creaminess of this concealer is to die for. I'm going to apply more concealer, and this is still LA Girl Pro concealer, but in the shade Light Ivory. This is like 2-3 shades lighter than my normal concealer. I am trying to be like a UK baddie, okay? I just love the bright under eyes lately, so whenever I do like my natural glam, I am definitely going heavy on the lighter concealer. I am going to set underneath the eyes with my Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. Now, this is not the best setting powder, and I probably won't recommend this setting powder, but she's been holding it down for me since I have finished all of my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I would give her some points. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will probably give her probably a 6. Going it with my True Complexion contour palette. I am going to just use this to bronze up the face. If you are new to the channel, you should know that Barry Jane used her powder contour as a bronzer, because I could never find the perfect bronzer, and she comes in handy for me when I want to bring that warmth back to my face. I'm using my Sephora Micro Smooth pressed powder to sweep away all of that translucent powder that I have sitting underneath my eyes and forehead. After setting my face with both of my setting spray, I'm going to take my beauty blender and just work everything into the face while also making sure everything is blended. Going back to the eyes, I am using the same shades that I applied to my eyelids to my waterline. As you guys can see, it's a huge difference between not putting eyeshadow and putting eyeshadows on the waterline. I just suggest that you always add that eyeshadow to your waterline, because it do add a pop to the eyes more than just leaving it plain. For lip liner, I'm using Barry Jane Collections. Of course, this is in the shade Tuscan Brown. If you're not using Barry Jane Collections, what are you doing? And you guys know I love to go heavy on the lip liner. I'm just huge on lip liners because as a dark-skinned woman, you can never find the perfect lipstick or lip gloss shade. So I like to use my lip liner. Now I'm going in with Barry Jane Collection lip gloss in the shade Melt. I am obsessed obsessed with this lip gloss, you guys. You don't understand. Like, I finally found the perfect pink, and I decided to share it with you guys because, oh my god, look at this. Amazing. I am just blotting my lips to just move it around, work it around the lips, you know. Going in with some regular clear lip gloss, I'm using that to just place right on top of the lip liner, just to kind of make the lips more cohesive. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All items are available on my website, link in the description box below. Peace out to you all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.